In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize your HubSpot deal pipeline. We'll walk through each step of the process to ensure that your pipeline is tailored specifically to fit the needs of your business, ultimately helping to streamline your sales operations and boost productivity. First things first, let's open HubSpot. Make sure you're logged into your account so we can begin. Once you're in, direct your attention to the left side panel and look for the CRM option. Give it a click to access a variety of CRM features. Next, you're going to click on Deals. This is where all the magic happens. Here, you can start adjusting the settings to suit your specific business requirements. Think about the unique processes you have in place and how you can reflect those within HubSpot. Modifying these settings will help tailor the software to your unique workflow, making your tracking more efficient and reflective of your real-world processes. Once you've finished adjusting your settings, click on Create Deal. This will allow you to set up a new deal within your newly customized environment, getting you one step closer to achieving your sales goals. Now that you have your deal set up, let's move on to bringing everything together. Navigate to the Settings section by clicking on it. Once there, you'll want to find the Pipeline option. Clicking this allows you to view and modify the stages in your existing pipeline. You have the flexibility to adjust these stages to align perfectly with your work processes. It's important to tailor each stage to reflect your sales approach, ensuring it matches your team's workflow. The goal here is to create a seamless experience that enhances productivity and makes tracking your deals straightforward and efficient. After all, having a clear, streamlined pipeline can alleviate a lot of the stress that comes with managing multiple deals, making it much easier to focus on what truly matters: closing those deals. By following these steps, you'll have a customized pipeline set up in HubSpot that fits your business needs like a glove. Remember, your pipeline should evolve along with your business, so don't hesitate to make changes as necessary to maintain its relevance and effectiveness. And lastly, to complete the setup, click on Create Pipeline. This will save all your modifications and you'll be all set to use your tailored pipeline. From here, you'll see a significant improvement in your deal tracking and a greater alignment with your specific sales processes. I hope this guide helps you navigate the customization of your HubSpot deal pipeline with confidence. Thank you for watching, and make sure to stay tuned for more helpful tips and tutorials designed to enhance your HubSpot experience.